Hey math magicians, did anybody do any extra multiplication practice? Maybe you downloaded some multiplication apps to start doing flashcards? We'll see. Today we are going to use a number line for multiplication. It is one strategy. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, you'll pick another strategy that works for you. But it's my job to teach you all the strategies. All right, let's get started. To follow along, you can turn to page 10 in your math workbook, okay? Page 10.
How can you use a number line to show multiplication?
I think this number line can really help me out.
Clara is making gift bags for her 5 friends. She wants to put 3 glitter pens in each gift bag.
I love
How
glitter.
many glitter pens does she need? What are you trying to find? Select your answer.
What are we trying to find? What was the question? The number of glitter pens.
How many glitter pens Clara needs? What do you know?
What do we know? Well, we know that each package has 3 glitter pens in it, right?
Clara is making gift bags for 5 friends, and she wants to put 3 pens in each bag. You can use a number line and skip counting to show multiplication. Draw arrows on the number line to show the number of glitter pens for each gift bag.
So each
What number do you need to skip count by?
3, because she wants to give each friend 3. 3.
Since each gift bag will have 3 glitter pens, you will skip count by 3. 3 pens, 6 pens, 9 pens, 12 pens, 15 pens. Why is each arrow 3 units long?
Why is each arrow 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? Because that's how many glitter pens she wants to give each friend.
Because each arrow represents 3 pens in a bag. Skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiplication. 5 times 3 equals 15.
Okay, why is it 5 times 3 and not 3 times 5? Remember, our first number is how many groups? 5 groups of, and what's in each group? 3. That's why it's 5 times 3, not 3 times 5. If it was 3 times 5, it would have 3 groups and 5 in each group. 5 times 3 means 5 groups, 3 in each group.
How does the number line show 5 times 3?
We just discussed it. Perfect.
There are 5 arrows and each is 3 units long. This represents 5 packs of 3 glitter pens. Clara needs 15 glitter pens. Now you know how to use a number line to show multiplication.
Okay. So now we are going to work on page 11. The next page over, and answer some questions together. Okay, on the previous page, why do you skip count by 3s on the number line? We talked about that. Why do we skip count by 3s? Because that's how many pens she wants to give each friend. We skip count by 3s because that's how many pens she wants to give. Okay? I know I write kind of fast, so I'll just wait a second. Okay, and then it says on the previous page, why do you make 5 jumps on the number line? Because remember, that's how many friends she's giving them away, right? So they are 5 groups. There are 5 friends, which is like a group. So 5 groups of 3 pens in each group makes 15. And there's another little skip counting fact. Anything times 5, you just skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? We'll skip number 3. Let's look at number 4. It says, complete the arrows on the number line to show the jumps and fill in the blanks. Jim ran 3 miles a day for 4 days. That's a lot of running in a row. How many miles did he run? Okay, so why are we only jumping 3 here instead of 4? Because that's how many miles he ran, and the days would be the groups, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you don't count this spot as 1. You have to actually move 1, 2, 3. Move before you can count it as 1. Okay? So how many jumps did we make for our 4 days? 4. And we skip counted by 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many miles did he run? 12 miles. And what would our our multiplication equation be? Would it be 4 times 3 or 3 times 4? 4 groups. Remember, each hump is a group. 4 groups. And there's 3 in each group. Okay? You don't have much practice down here, so again, you might want to get your workbook, but let's flip over and do some of the problems on the back. Okay, let's look at number 8. Nikki wants to use 3 glass beads in each necklace she is making. She wants to make 6 necklaces. How many glass beads will Nikki need? You skip counting and write a multiplication problem. So we've got 3 glass beads and she wants 6 necklaces. So how many groups would there be? 3 groups or 6 groups? 6 groups, because a necklace would be like a group that has the beads on it. So that's why there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. And what's in each group? 3. Not too bad, huh? 6 times 3 is also 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus repeated addition. The same number repeated over and over. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. Let's look at number 9. Guinea pigs in the wild usually live in groups of between 5 and 10. The group members can warn each other of danger. If there are 2 groups of 7 guinea pigs, how many guinea pigs are there in all? Use the number line. Well, I already told you the trick, anything times 2 is a double. So you probably already know the answer in your head. But let's use a number line. Again, it's one strategy, okay? So 2 groups, and 7 guinea pigs in each group. So am I gonna make 2 jumps or am I gonna make 7 jumps? Let's write it out. 2 groups of 7. So I'm going to make how many jumps? 2, right. And how many are going to be in each jump? 7. So I know right here's my first jump. Okay. And then I'm going to count 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is 2 times 7? 14. You could write it down there up here. It doesn't matter. Just keep saying it over and over in your head. 2 groups, so that's 2 jumps, and there's 7 in each group, so there's 7 dots in each jump, okay? Let's go and look at, we won't do all the problems all the time. So let's look at number 12. Which of the following contexts, that means this information here, does the number line and the expression 5 times 2 represent? So 5 groups of 2. Well, I can see the answers choices here. 5 groups with 5 pens each? No. Look, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 5 groups with 2 pens each? Well, again, in your head, be saying 5 groups of 2. Are there 5 groups? Yes. Is there 2 in each group? Yes. So that's probably my answer, but I'm going to keep checking. I'm going to put a little check mark there. That's my maybe. 2 groups with 2 pens each? No, I can look right now. There's more than 2 groups. And 2 groups with 5 pens? Well, there's more than 2 groups. And each group only has 2. So we were right. B is our correct choice. Let's look at number 13. Which of the following contexts, that's here, does the number line and the expression 5 times 3 represent? Again, in your head, 5 times 3. 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep. And there's 3 in each group, 5 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5 groups of 3. So they changed it over to shelves, which is fine because a shelf is like a group because it's holding books, right? 5 shelves with 5 books. No, each one has 3 in it. 3 shelves with 5 books. 3 groups, 1, 2, 3, no, I have 5 groups. 5 shelves with 3 books. 1, 2, 5 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Is there 3 in each group? Yes. That's our maybe. 3 shelves with 3 books. 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. No, there's 5. We were right. C is correct. It's not too hard, is it? Okay. You are going to finish the front. There's only 3 questions there. So you really probably want to get out that homework book and do some extra practice with number lines. If you don't get it right away, that's fine. Number lines don't work for everybody, okay? So again, it's just one strategy. And what I really want you to get out of the lesson today is remember in your head, 7 groups of 2, 3 groups of 3. Okay, remember that multiplication symbol means groups of, and it'll make everything easier. All right? No discussion post.